The company specializes in manufacturing hand trucks, flatbed trolleys, wheels, folding iron ladders, pet strollers, and elderly life assistance products. The company has established a high-tech R&D center with a professional team. Leeyoung Hardware Manufacturing Co. Limited was established in 2009. The company has established a high-tech R&D center with a professional team and has introduced AI equipment in workshops. Leeyoung currently owns 2 factories with a total area of 75,000 square meters and a production area of 80,000 square meters. The Yanroi plant was put into operation in June 2018, and the 63 plant will commence production in June 2025, injecting more vitality into Leeyoung's development. Leeyoung aims to build a garden-style modern factory, leveraging advanced technology to drive industry development. The company specializes in manufacturing hand trucks, flatbed trolleys, wheels, folding iron ladders, pet strollers, and elderly life assistance products. The company has established a high-tech R&D center with a professional team and has introduced AI equipment in workshops. Investing tens of millions of yuan, the company has built efficient and intelligent production lines. Workshops are equipped with automated steel plate and pipe cutting, laser cutting, and drilling machines. The hydraulic and electric welding processes utilize industry-leading intelligent robotic arms and automatic forming technology. The automated spraying production line ensures precision coating. The injection molding workshop operates in a dust-free environment. The assembly workshop employs advanced automated flow and packaging lines. The finished goods warehouse has been upgraded to 3-dimensional rack storage to ensure intact product packaging and accurate quantity. The company will achieve digital workshops in 2024, with continuous innovation investments aimed at stabilizing product quality and maximizing production efficiency. Leeyoung implements strict quality control for every product, establish a professional quality inspection team and experimental center, introduce third-party standard testing equipment, and collaborate with TUV Rhineland China Ltd and Southern Germany Certification Testing China Co. Limited to establish laboratories. All products must pass simulated scenario testing before being launched. Leeyoung strives to achieve green factory status, having currently completed solar photovoltaic power generation and a water recycling system. Leeyoung adheres to the development philosophy of quality as the foundation, innovation as the soul. Every member embodies the spirit of don't be complacent today, strive harder tomorrow. Committed to advancing the future of Chinese manufacturing.